What's up, guys? I hit up the Target because I know they got the shippers for the Japan Historics 3. I've been to 2 already and haven't run into no luck. But I'm at my 3rd one now. And I didn't expect to find this, but it's pretty nice right here. And it looks like they do have them. I just gotta look for the end cap. I think we got that. Sam got that set. Nice little Integra right there. And they got the end cap here, which is pretty cool. Oh, here's another. The movie time. The Lotus. I think they do got it. With the set includes all these right there. One of these is the Master of the Universe, which is a pretty cool show. Man, I think they did have them all. Oh, and then Ghost Rider. I never seen that, but I thought it was that Nicolas Cage movie, whatever that one's called. We got 2 sets of this already. 2, and then there's another Lotus. The Led Zeppelin Gasser. Some more of these Skylines. Another one of those. The RX-7. That Sylvia, which is nice, and then the Z. Nissan Z. But what I'm here for, yeah. Old school Sylvia. Oh, snap. The turbo. This casting again, but it's part of the set, so I think we're only missing the truck. Oh no, that's. Oh snap. Which. I think this is the one everyone's gonna be after. And I think only one comes in a set. Because everything else is like a filler. Bunch of city turbos come in there, but looks like 2 Skylines, a bunch of turbos, 3 of the Mazdas, 3 of the Sylvias. But alright, I guess I completed 1 set, so I gotta go find another one of these trucks right here. Yeah, man. This thing is pretty badass. So it's gonna be one set, and then 3 of the movie time.
Crocodile.
This little pink wheelie. It's crazy, man. They got a lot of fillers for this Historics, which you'll see at Kroger, and Safeways, and CVS, all that good stuff, man. But alright, time to move on. I gotta go to my next one and get another set so I can get another of the Datsun. And I'm not gonna leave the Ghost Rider out. I don't like that one. I don't know why. I just don't like it. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave this behind too. So yeah, just these right here. But yeah, the Historics, they're hitting target, so hurry up.